To cash out without a debit card on Cash App, you can use alternative methods to access your funds. The first step is to ensure you have a verified account, which requires providing your name, date of birth, and social security number. This verification process is necessary for security purposes and to comply with financial regulations. Once your account is verified, you can explore other cash-out options. One method is to transfer your funds to a bank account. To do this, go to the Cash App home screen, tap the Balance tab, and then select Cash Out. Choose the bank transfer option and select the bank account you want to transfer the funds to. It may take 1 to 3 business days for the transfer to complete, depending on your bank's processing time. Another option is to use the Cash App to pay for purchases or services that you need, effectively using your Cash App balance without requiring a debit card. Many businesses accept Cash App as a form of payment, so you can use it to buy goods or services directly from merchants who support this payment method. Additionally, you can also use the Cash App to send money to friends or family members who can then provide you with cash. However, this method should be used with caution and only with trusted individuals to avoid any potential scams or disputes. It is essential to note that while these methods allow you to access your Cash App funds without a debit card, they may have some limitations and requirements. For instance, transferring funds to a bank account may require a minimum balance, and using the Cash App for purchases may involve some fees or restrictions. To maximize the benefits and minimize the drawbacks of using Cash App without a debit card, it is crucial to understand the terms and conditions of each cash-out method. Always review the fees, transfer times, and any other relevant details before proceeding with a transaction. By following these steps and being aware of the available options and their requirements, you can effectively use Cash App without a debit card and access your funds when you need them.